yes, sir. We got a nice EX. It's a we got this little spider. I don't know what his name, but we got a nice pull. Let's take off a sleeve, and now that's 2 to 1. 2 to Neil. Boom. We just got a nice little spider looking great. Look fantastic. Boom. Just like that. We got 2 to none. That's amazing. That's pretty stoked. The only thing is I just have to make sure that I don't by accident put the wrong card on the wrong side. That would be nice if I don't make that mistake. That would be nice.